Hey, I'm Mitchell. Welcome to another video in the RSP Education series. Not all disconnects are created equal, and if you pick the wrong one, you're either overpaying or underprotecting. From dusty factory floors to climate-controlled panels, the enclosure style of your disconnect, whether it's enclosed or open frame, makes a huge impact on both safety and performance. And once you've chosen the right housing, the next question is how you want to kill the power, whether that's knife blade, rotary, or molded case. Each has its place, and each comes with trade-offs that do matter. In this video, we're going to unpack the practical differences between disconnect styles so you can choose the right tool for your panel, your environment, and your application without all the guesswork. If you like this kind of content and want more educational videos, please like and subscribe. Also, this video is for educational purposes only. Consult a professional for your application. RSP Supply is not liable for any misuse of this information. With that said, let's get right into it. So now we're going to talk enclosed versus open frame. Enclosed disconnects, these are boxed up switches that have weather and dust protection, commonly rated with NEMA codes. Why enclosed? It keeps people safe. No chance of touching live wires accidentally. It also is to survive the environment, rain, dust, chemicals, steam, etc. Some examples, NEMA 1, basic indoor use like a dry warehouse. NEMA 4X, that's on the other end of the spectrum. That's a stainless steel, waterproof and corrosion resistant model. Perfect for food factories, marine sites, etc. Best used in standalone disconnects out on a factory floor or in harsh environments. Then you got open frame disconnects. These are just the switch guts, no box. Why would you use that? Well, it's cheaper. There's no enclosure, so it's a lower cost. It does allow cooler operation since there's less heat buildup in high amperage circuits. You'll see it inside control panels or motor control centers that already have their own enclosure. You'll also see them in OEM machines with sealed cabinets. Let's talk knife blade versus rotary versus molded case disconnects. So knife blade disconnects, this is old school tech, but still in play. It uses a metal blade that flips into a contact rail. Looks like a giant breaker switch. Pros of this, very durable, very cheap. It handles high voltage in power loads. Some cons, it's dangerous to switch under load since it causes visible arcing. Also causes sparks. That is not good in flammable areas. Best used in large industrial equipment where switching is rare. Then you got rotary disconnects. Uses a twist handle to turn power on or off. These are mounted through doors of electrical panels. Some pros of these, they're safe to operate, there's less arcing, they're space efficient, great for tight cabinets where you can't flip a switch within. Some cons of it, it's not ideal for extremely high current applications. Best used in machine tools or packaging lines or HVAC equipment. Then we have molded case disconnects. It's similar to a circuit breaker but without auto tripping unless you purchase it with included optional protection. So unless you add an optional overcurrent trip unit or fuse, a molded case disconnect will not automatically shut off during an electrical fault. That's important to understand. It's meant to be manually operated, where a circuit breaker's function includes protection and switching. A molded case disconnect is primarily for switching and isolation only, no protection. Pros of the molded case disconnect, it can safely switch under load. That's a unique feature. Compact but handles serious current up to 1200 amps. Some cons, it does have a higher price. It's best used within data centers or large factories or anywhere where you want switch plus protection, kind of like handling, but without going full breaker. So here's what to take away. Enclosed disconnects are built for safety and survival, essential for dirty, wet, or public environments. Open frame disconnects, these work great inside sealed cabinets where cost and airflow matter more than exposure. Knife blade switches are rugged but risky. Use them when arc flash isn't a concern. Rotary disconnects, these give you clean, safe operation in tight spaces. Molded case disconnects, these offer more serious current handling and safe switching. Perfect when you need something between a switch and a breaker. Bottom line is, match your disconnect to your environment and your application. It's not just about switching power, it's about safety, reliability, and system design that makes sense. For a full line of disconnect switches and hundreds of thousands of industrial automation products, go to our website. That's rspsupply.com, the internet's top source for industrial hardware.